In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline a picture in Affinity Designer. If you've ever wanted your image to pop off the page with a clean, stylish border, this walkthrough will show you the simplest way to do it using Affinity Designer's built-in effects. We'll keep things clear and beginner-friendly, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to create a polished outline without flattening or damaging your original picture. Start by opening Affinity Designer on your computer and loading the document or project that contains the image you want to outline. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new document and place your picture in it. The outline effect works best when your image is on its own layer, so make sure you can see it in the Layers panel on the right. If you don't see the Layers panel, enable it from the View menu under Studio. Next, click directly on your picture to select it. The easiest way is to use the Move tool, so the image layer is highlighted in the Layers panel. If you have multiple layers, make sure only the picture layer is selected. Zoom in a little if that helps you confirm the selection. It'll make the effect adjustments easier to preview accurately. On the right side, find the Layer Effects button in the Layers panel. It looks like a small FX icon. Click it to open the Layer Effects dialog. This is a non-destructive panel, which means anything you do here can be toggled on or off later without harming your original image. Inside the Layer Effects dialog, locate Outline and enable it. You'll see a checkbox to turn it on, and the moment you do, a default outline appears around your image. Keep the dialog open so you can fine-tune the look. Adjust the radius to control the thickness of the outline, drag the slider slowly, and watch your image update in real time. For a subtle accent, keep it thin. For a bold sticker-style look, increase the radius. If you see options for alignment or position, choosing outside typically gives the cleanest edge for photos because it keeps the outline from covering details at the edge of your subject. Finally, pick your color. Click the color swatch and choose a hue that complements your design. White or black are classic high contrast choices, while a brand color can tie everything together. You can also refine opacity or blending if you want a softer effect or a glow-like look. Toggle the outline effect on and off to compare before and after, and fine-tune until it feels just right. That's it. Your picture now has a crisp, professional outline ready for prints, social posts, or any layout you're designing.